Hey Brian, what's a down payment? In this video, I'll explain what a down payment is and why you need one in the home buying process. For those of you that are new, my name is Bryan Sumardi and I'm your mortgage consultant. I'm here to share my experiences to help you with the home buying process. Please support by subscribing or follow me on my other social medias at Bryan Sumardi or at Sumo Estates. Now let's get back into the video. A down payment is a sum of money that is paid up front with a balance to be paid off later. Typically is a percentage of the total purchase price, and for the home buying process it could be as low as 3% down for a first-time home buyer or 3.5%. If you are looking in rural areas, you could use the USDA loan, or if you're a veteran, you could use the VA loan, and that's a 0 down payment requirement. But really this just serves as a way to show the lender or the bank the commitment to buying a property. Unless you have special circumstances like buying in the rural area, or if you're a veteran, most banks or lenders want to see you have some skin in the game. So think about it like this in terms of risk. If I ask you for $100 and I'm gonna pay you back, if I just ask you for that money, your idea of me paying you back varies on your perception of me. But if I give you $50 up front, but I need that $100, I'm gonna pay you back, then, really I just need $50, but think of it in a bigger terms. It's gonna take me longer to pay back, say, $100,000 or $500,000 loan versus $100. So when we're talking about big amounts of money, a down payment just gives me more assurance that you're not gonna just run away with my money. And if you wanna do more comparisons, think about cars or appliances. Getting a new refrigerator, getting a new car, you can put a down payment, and that lowers your loan amount, which affects your monthly payment. But their ability to sell you the car or appliances is based on your risk tolerance, or on their risk tolerance on you as the client. I hope this helps, but what kind of questions do you have about the down payment or anything else about the home buying process? Please leave a comment below, and if you're ready for a consultation, please check the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.